Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Free Lifestyle. I hope people are doing great in your family. So today in this video I'm gonna take you all for the Style Port branch. Already మనం లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో అమీర్పేట్లో ఉన్న స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ బ్రాంచ్ చూసాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు మనం మాధవపూర్లో కొత్తగా ఓపెన్ అయిన స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ బ్రాంచ్ చూస్తున్నాం అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు 1st జూలై నుంచి 18 జూలై వరకు సేల్ ఉందని చెప్పారు. సో వాట్ ఆర్ యూ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్? లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద వీడియో.
సో గాయస్ ఇక్కడ మనకు స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ మాదాపూర్లో ఉందన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తే పిల్లర్ నెంబర్ C1759 దగ్గర ఈజీగా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు, ఆపోజిట్ టు కాస్ట్ షాప్. ఆల్సో ఇంకొక ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ మనకి ఇండస్ ఇండ్ బ్యాంక్ ఇక్కడే ఉంటుంది. ఆల్సో దుర్గం చెరువు మెట్రో దగ్గరే మనకు స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు.
హాయ్ ఆల్, we have reached the Style Port. We are in front of it and she is Divya again. Last time మీరు వీడియోలో స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ వీడియోలో చూసారు దివ్యాని. అగైన్ we came here and let's get in. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు స్టైల్ పోర్ట్ గ్రాండ్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఇనాగరేషనల్ ఆఫర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. టాప్స్, నీల్ అండ్ గ్రౌండ్స్ అని 250 to 500 రేంజ్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ షాప్. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్. So guys, we have a few western tops here which cost from rupees only 250. Yeah, this is a crop top. You can see this is a beautiful neon color.
We have in these colors also.
Okay, they have so many colors in this. You can choose here.
Yeah.
This is a one more top. This is a crop top actually. It's looking so beautiful. And all those are brands, right?
Yes.
Yeah, all are brands. So this is something trendy top right now which we can found in so many stores in online also. Yeah, it is stretchable. It is a branded or non-branded?
It's a non-brand.
It's a non-branded, but it is looking so beautiful, guys. We have colors as well.
Yeah.
You people can find out all the sizes, guys. And this is something paper. Yeah, newspaper trend. It is running nowadays, and it has a tie-ups here. And we have so many colors in this.
Yes, we have colors also.
Okay. Yeah, one more is this one. It is came with all the net fabric, which is so lightweight. It is looking so beautiful, guys. Again, it is looking in a powder blue color. Yeah, this top is looking so good, which has lace detailing and have this beautiful blue flowers on it. Yeah, this is looking so good. Yeah, this here you can see the high neck top with which came with the zipper, and it has a good length of sleeves, and it is a crop top. So coming to this section, you can pick anything with the pricing of 500 rupees.
Only for chef.
Okay, these are strags, and which we have get a party look on it, and it is looking so good, guys. Only for rupees 500. And you guys can see this beautiful lavenderish crop top. We can pair this up on any kind of dresses, knee length dresses or full length dresses. It is like a cape, guys. Yeah. Also we have so many colors on it. This is a maroon colored top which has same handmade design here, which is so good. It has a partition here. You can pair up as a coat. Here you can see this beautiful white top which has this golden detailing in the middle. This is so lightweight fabric, guys, and it is looking so good. It is good for summers as well. It came with a netted fabric. This is also for only rupees 500. You can never get this kind of fabrics, never ever in any store. Only in Style Port, which is for rupees 500. We have one more top in a white which has this 90s style. It has a collar and it has a button detailing as well, which has a good length of sleeves, and call it as a off-white top, guys. It is so good. You can see this top. It is a party wear and it has a good length. Actually, it will come for the knee length actually, and it has a lace on the bottom. Starting price is 1000, guys. Top
It has 3 colors.
3 colors. Okay, they have 3 colors on it, and the price of this particular top is
2800.
2800, guys. You can see the look. It is looking so bright.
1500.
This is also for rupees 2500, guys. It is another color in the same piece, but it is not having that much shimmer, but it is looking so decent. Okay, Shahnaz is carrying this beautiful piece. As you can see, it is looking so beautiful. If you want to wear up this for your reception, or if you have your special days on occasions like birthdays, if you are attending any parties or family functions, you can choose this kind of products. And the price of this particular top is
4,500.
4,500, guys. I bet you never.
5,000.
Yeah, okay. 4,500 to 5,000 it will be, and you can never find out this kind of pieces in outside stores. It is looking so beautiful. It is looking like a designer piece, guys. Okay, again we have one more piece which is having great length here, and the work, we can call it as sequence work. Yeah, sequence work came along with the dress, up to down. It has that same design, and the fabric is little having a weight here, but the sleeves are good, the design is good. Again we have a zip here. So here you can see the plus size section here. If you are not comfortable wearing all the body size dresses or bodycon dresses, you can find your perfect fit here. Okay, 6XL. Yeah, you can find 6XL also here, which is really great. It sounds really great. You can find so many pieces, office wear, casual wear, party wear, everything are available. Yeah, can you please show us for a few pieces? Yeah. As you can see, guys, it has a good length which came with these tie-ups.
Yes, belt also.
Yeah, this belt is also available for this. It has a great cheetah print came here. Okay, as you can see, the original price looks like 1,500 here, but actual price of this cost is
Now is 500.
500. Only for rupees 500 you are getting this beautiful top, guys. Only for people who are finding for plus sizes. Okay, we have your shirt models as well if you wanted to pair up.
6XL.
Okay, this is a 6XL, guys.
Size is also in this.
Oh, great to hear that they have same patterns in the sizes, and the brand is called Nubella. The original price cost is for rupees 2,000, but they are giving for rupees only 500 here. As you can see, guys, this is looking so cute, which came with the pale yellow color, and it has this polka dot detailing, which have again stretch here, which suits for all body types, and it has a good length. You look so cute if you wear this kind of tops, and you can pair up with the black jeans or black palazzos. We have beautiful capes here, guys, which you can wear for all the granted functions, and the starting price is only for rupees 1,000 to
1,000 to 2,800.
Okay.
This one comes to 2,500.
Okay.
And this one also comes to 2,500.
2,500.
And this one is only for 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
We have in this colors also.
Okay.
In
And this particular one?
this one is 2,800.
2,800. But it is looking so good, guys. Actually, in our last style put videos, Sonam Didi has explained this, how to wear this kind of capes and all on our dresses. It is looking so beautiful. We have so many colors on it. Okay, guys, this is a 99 rupees section. If you can pick any top for rupees only 100 here.
100 rupees. It's come to handwork.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is looking so beautiful. Yeah, this looks like an eye design here. Okay. This particular top is looking super good, guys, which came with the handwork, and it has this all mirror work as well. It is looking so beautiful, multicolored, and top fabric is cotton, guys, and this is only for rupees 100. Okay, here we have a section for boxers and all the pants and trousers here. If you can pick any top, only for rupees 200, guys, which is super good, guys. Actually the price is 499. They have during the sale they have given only for rupees 200. We have two different types of boxers here, which come with a only brand one, and one more is have a half shade, which we can call it as a tie-dye shorts as well. And this has this beautiful design here. It is open here, which shows up our skin here, which is looking trendy nowadays, and the price is only for rupees 200, guys. And this particular boxer is my favorite. I'm going to pick this up. Okay, here we can see this beautiful colors, and these boxes is from the brand called Jalora, and they have sizes here. And this design, as you can see, this is so beautiful. This has flowy. This looks like a skirt, but it is not a skirt. This is a long length section, guys. We start from the range 550. Pick anything for rupees only 550, guys. We can see some sample pieces now. And this is looking so beautiful, guys. White top with the beautiful frill hands, and it has a polka dot detailing, and only for rupees 550, guys. Yeah, only for rupees 550. Wow, again, if you can see this beautiful top, it looks like a butterfly, and this frills is super good, and the color is so good, guys. So this is 200 section, guys. We will get all the branded stuff only for rupees 200, which are full length, half length, top, shrugs, everything are included here. So this particular beautiful top is called Zinc London, guys, and it has a beautiful pastel colors which is looking with the all floral print, and the fabric is so good. It is looking superb, guys, and only for rupees 200 you are getting this beautiful piece. 200.
This inner also we have.
Okay. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this beautiful top, it is looking like a party wear dress which has this beautiful fabric which is very lightweight. Also they are providing with the inner. Actually we are not having this inner here, but they will provide the inner with this. It means this top is for only rupees 100, and the inner which costs for only for 100. We will get this combination for rupees 200, guys. Can you please imagine this? You can find all these kind of beautiful tops and great deals only in Styleport, guys. Okay, guys, here as you can see, we have a skirt section only for rupees 350. Are long skirts actually, and I'll randomly pick few and I'll show you. Okay, this is a beautiful black skirt, guys, which have this transparent detailing at the down, and these cost only for rupees 350. If you want to pair up these kind of skirts with office wear, or you can pair up with any kind of shirts or t-shirts, it is looking so good. Okay, let's take a minute to thank Shahnaz here, and she explained everything so well. Thank you so much, Shahnaz.
Thank you. Hey guys, we have successfully completed our shopping. Let's go and let's wait for the another video so that I'll review all the reviews of this my collection. Okay, until then we meet. Love you all. Bye bye.